Hey, what's up guys? Kirby Smith here working on a Sunday in Nashville, Tennessee. Not exactly our home market, but we are taking a look at a project for a friend, maybe just to point out a few things. And one of the quick points is that you've got this going on with these guys. They're about ready to blow off the roof. And when railing like this that's anchored in a commercial roof moves, say for example, like the way I'm showing it, it can bust holes in the membrane. So we would not suggest doing any sort of work on this unless it was intended to replace these posts with something more permanent. The other quick mention is there is the roof hatch. It's kind of a pain to get up here. It might be worth looking at while this is getting roofed to maybe build some sort of ladder access to the roof as well. There is a hatch already here. I'm gonna definitely suggest either way keeping that. And that old guy could probably be brought back with a little rust inhibiting primer and then top coat paint. Should be just fine. So this honestly doesn't look all that bad. I would knee jerk say that it could probably be coated, right? So that's just a cleaning and then a first part urethane primer and then a silicone top coat, or you could just go clean and top coat straight over the top of this. But the big thing is getting these guys to work where they're not doing this number. Needless to say, I know y'all can see that right there. Otherwise, we're looking at shingles as well. I know our owners are considering shingles pretty strongly. We got some missing shingles. This is one side of the roof here. And you know, the metal, if we were to coat the metal here where it touches the shingles, would need to be replaced. That metal's no good. So anyway, guys, those are a couple of quick mentions on specifications for this project. And this is Kirby Smith with Lightspeed Construction coming to you from Maryland Farms, Brentwood area, Tennessee. Thank y'all so much. Bye-bye.